This is the Miele Novotronic W1614 automatic washing machine. As you can see, it's a little bit differently styled to Miele's existing range, a little bit more modern looking, as some people would say. I'm going to take you through the basic features of this machine, how to start a load going. I've loaded the machine with a small load of lightly soiled items, mainly fleeces, polo tops and dark items. I'll just close the large porthole, which is a bit of a departure from the regular porthole found on Miele washers. Next job to do is to add some detergent. So here we have the large detergent drawer, which is easy to remove. You simply press this button here and the whole thing comes out. If you need to clean it, it just pops in. So we're just going to add a washing tablet, and that goes into the main container. There's three sections. This is for your main wash, this is for pre-wash, and either of these holes is for your fabric softener. So we'll just put one tablet in the main wash, and because we like softness in our laundry, we're going to pop a little bit of fabric softener, whoops-a-daisy, into there, and then we just close that up. Now all that remains now is to switch the machine on. You've got the on-off button here, and then you're presented with the display and a flashing start-stop button. So we have several options we can go for here. We have cottons, minimum iron, delicates, woolens, express, automatic, shirts, denim, dark garments, and a spin-only program. And once you've selected any of the main programs, you can change the temperature or spin speed according to the fabrics you're washing. It won't let you make a mistake. If the temperature you try and select is too high for the fabric, then it won't let you do it. And you have the option of having a buzzer at the end of the program. You can have that on or off. So because my items are slightly soiled, I'm going to select the Express. So you just turn the knob here until Express is lit, and then you're given some options here. Now Express will take 30 minutes at a temperature of 40 degrees and a spin speed of 1400. Now if you require, you can adjust the temperature down to 30 or cold, but we're going to leave it at 40. And you can change the spin speed down from 14 to 12, 1000, 800, 600, 400, rinse, hold, or no spin. But because we want to dry them fast, we'll leave it at 400. Then just press the start button. The machine will start to fill, if I can show you without getting in shot. It fills from the front. There is a hole, which you can't see, but this ensures that it saturates the load quickly. Try and get a shot for you that you can see what's going on. Once the load is saturated, then it will start to take in water into a different part of the drum, but this time the water will go through the soap drawer, enabling you to add the detergent. So basically that's it, that's set on the Express program, and that will take 30 minutes to wash, rinse and spin a lightly soiled load. Next to the Miele Novotronic W1614 we have the Miele Novotronic T294C tumble dryer. This is a condensing machine, and it has at the top here a very large, easy to empty container that fits in the top there. And this is an automatic machine, so with this you just select the fabric and the dryness. So cottons, normal plus, normal, low temperature, hand iron, machine iron, or there's a smoothing program, and even a woolens hand care program. On the other side we have automatic, which will basically just do it for you. And then we have minimum iron, either normal, low temperature, hand iron. And you can have 30 minutes timed warmed air or 15 minutes cool air timed drying. What I'd normally put it on for most loads is normal plus, and that'll ensure that it's dry enough to be put away. If you're going to iron it straight away, then you can select hand iron, or if you're using a machine to iron, Miele make a rotary ironing machine, you can select that setting there. It's very straightforward. That's all you do, and then you just press the start button and it starts going, and then it starts here. You have a setting here for drying, and then it progresses as it dries out. And then you have a light here that tells you if the container needs emptying, the machine will switch off and that will light up. Basically you just got an on off and the door button. If we open the door, you will see that Miele have even provided an illuminated section there. So you think, oh, it's a bit of a gimmick, but it isn't, because without that light on it's quite hard to see inside the drum, especially some dark items, so that illuminates all your washing inside the drum. You have the usual filters, 2 filters here that can be removed, and your main filter in the door, and that's it. So that's the Miele Novotronic T294C. This doesn't actually match the washing machine. You can buy, I believe, a matching dryer. These were purchased at the same time. They don't match, but they're in a garage, so it doesn't really matter. So there we have it. And as you can hear, if I hold the camcorder near the washing machine, it's very, very quiet. You can't hear the motor at all. Basically all you can hear are the clothes banging around in the drum. Again, you've got me in shot, which we don't want. As you can see, this is in a garage, so there is a car here. It's very difficult to show you what's going on, but anyway. So that is the Miele washer. It is fantastic. There are models available above this and below. This is sort of a mid-range, but it basically does everything you want and does it quietly and efficiently. So I can wholeheartedly recommend both this washing machine and the dryer. Anything by Miele, and you can't go wrong. There we go. Miele Novotronic, forever better.